Hello, I'm Cedric and I'm glad to welcome you to Sedeca Pressing. Sedeca Pressing is a 5-year-old French cleaning company, and currently 5 people work there in 2 different stores. All the production is gathered in a single workshop. To obtain a more profitable growth, Sedeca Pressing has developed services for professionals such as cleaning industrial carpets, work clothes, or rental of personal protective equipment. Our goal is to provide a high-quality service by respecting 2 requirements: caring for the planet and for the employees. To take care of the planet, Sedeca Pressing stopped to work with PERC 3 years ago, to toggle all the production with the Landadel Crossler wet cleaning process, certified by the German Blue Angel Environment Award. Wastewater is filtered, and thanks to WaterWeld, we avoid to treat the equivalent of the water consumption of 100 families each year. Furthermore, we decrease the electricity consumption by 20% by preheating the water used for the laundry in a hot water tank. Finally, the waste as empty cans are reused either to store the material or in the process. To reduce the risk of musculoskeletal disorder, Sedeca Pressing creates made-to-measure furniture in PVC wood for each workstation. Wasted cans are used on a soaking workstation with a gutter to avoid employees from carrying too much heavy loads. Concerning the corporate ethics strategy, Sedeca Pressing promotes a transparent management. Every month, employees have access to the KPIs indicating whether Sedeca Pressing reaches economic and ecological goals. In the other way, every employee can add a new concept on the ID map to move our company forward. All the decisions concerning the company are taken together during typical French meetings. I could tell you about our new Intendant Randomat or the RTC organization and management consulting company I created this year, but I prefer to introduce to you what really makes Sedeca Pressing DNA. The secret of Sedeca Pressing is the people who compose it, internally or externally. Our moral support, our technical support, our partners, and the local elected officials. All of them accompanied Sedeca Pressing during his life and were there for major moments. And the most important, all my gratitude to Sedeca Pressing team who knew how to evolve and accept new process. Thanks to them, Sedeca Pressing has been able to adapt and develop new services to our customers, and it's only the beginning.